welcome back to Just Trish. So I'm up on the road, but I come back now, and me lay down in the settee. Me watch TV, right? Because me I watch one reality something. Like I've been watching, like me I catch up on all of the episode there because me just tend to love it now. So I am something I'm too a two handle girl right now, right? But I ask why am I dressed like this? No, and stuff, right? So anyways, me someone cook, but I was going to wait to really come because based on what me I cook, me do want him come when it's hot, right? Because I'm going to attempt to cook pasta. What may I cook? What kind of pasta may I cook? Some fish pasta. Me go cook. I'm gonna do the chicken pasta, you know. Should I be looking at the fridge if me see none want the breast part of the chicken? I'm gonna looking at the fridge if me see none breast part of the chicken and stuff and see if me can look about that. Chicken pasta. I will call them chicken whatever, them something there. I'm gonna attempt to do that. Hopefully I can do that. You know I really love oxtail pasta and all these things. So I'm gonna try and see if I can do something like that. But I actually do want him to come when me and finish up, you understand? So that the food more take the tripod here. This is my favorite tripod. I love you. I love you so much. This is a great investment. Not like this one. What I did get this one weak. Then another tripod I want strong one short and one. I can't find that. I have that from just YouTube. Like a little bit after I just YouTube. Yeah, I had that and I don't know where I leave it. I really want me to use what they, but I don't know. I need to buy one next tripod, but this is a great investment. Like, wow. So I'm gonna set up and then I come back to you guys, because I need to straighten up in the kitchen and all them someday before I start everything. Because one thing with Rolly, I'm telling you guys, one thing with Rolly, when Rolly use the kitchen, Rolly sometimes leave the kitchen. Like, me have to go inside here and clean up. So for your girl going to the kitchen, I'm gonna put on my apron because your girl gonna get down and dirty. Yeah, I put on the apron and then but I don't know what wrong with me, but I just enough on my apron. I just feel like I can't tighten up because I'm a fingernail. It just, because of behind me, it just hard to tie. I just enough. I just want to feel like I'm doing something. That's just it. I just feel like I'm actually doing something when I have the apron on. Yeah. So yeah. It I feel like I'm doing something. So I don't know if I have to turn on the light or the natural light not really working for me. Oh, on the light here. Like here, if you're not, because the type of curtains I will have, if you don't open up the curtains, you can't know say a day, right? Because in your dark, if I close up the curtains, I feel like I should close it just because I need the light here to like shine, because it just seems like that light on and off. If you realize how out here is that now, let me do it again. Are you seeing it now? Alright, let me look properly. Alright, I'm seeing behind me. I'm going to close it now and see if I can see behind me. Alright. Oh my god. You see? Let's have a look out there. You see how out here dark? You see, because my camera, it can work with light, so it's like you're gonna see out here, but it kind of dark. It's just because of the type of camera that I'm using, it can reflect off natural light, you see. But because the curtain the balcony thing is open, so the curtain don't move. But when it's not, it's moving. Yeah, so yeah, so you can see somebody that watch too hot to handle. So now I'm gonna go in the kitchen. I keep on moving up, guys. I keep on moving, y'all. So this, oh my god, I have to go get some ants thing because I can't take the ants them in here. Like the ants them always you can't leave nothing on the counter. And now what you would do, we get rid of enough of the ants them, but I don't know why ants come enough now. This was a fish fillet that I was going to use, but really love fish fillet, so I'm wondering if I should use that or use chicken breast. Oh, a bit. I put sausage in it as well. This is what I'm going to look about with it. So now, guys, just, oh my god, no, I lick up my head up here. Yeah. So I just like look about the fish, yeah, and cut it up. May I tell you guys, this counter is so small. It doesn't matter if you put two something on the counter, it look full up. Like, alright, let me move that part here. Just because we make up put really back. As I'm telling you, really just have him stuff them all over the place. I'm gonna like trouble him stuff them. Alright, this is my cup. Let me move it. Because I just take it out of the the drainer here. Alright, so put this over here, so in the meanwhile, so these are my seasoning that I'm going to use and seasoning it for the mean. Alright, so now that I'm through with that, guys, I'm looking about so many things right now. I'm gonna go about with it. Alright, so I'm going for the next ingredients. Now these are my potatoes, so I'm gonna take out a few out of it because I think I'm going to look about mashed potatoes as well. So, and string beans on the side, and I'm gonna put carrots and stuff in it. I'm gonna take out an egg because I'm gonna put an egg in the mashed potato and everything. So every ingredient that I'm gonna use is on here, because with me, guys, if I'm gonna look for the mashed potato with the other stuff I need to take them out from now, because once we don't take them out, I'm not going to remember that, hey, I decided I'm gonna look about mashed potatoes. So that's what I'm gonna do. My head is all over the place, guys. I don't know what to put in the pot first over here. Alright, I'll come back because I'm kind of flustered and I wonder if I should look at the potatoes first. Alright, I should put potatoes alright, I know what I'm gonna do. So guys, I am halfway through everything because I cut up my sausage, my carrots, and my other ingredients. Okay, so I took my green beans out, put it here. So I need a container for the mashed potatoes here. So there's gonna be a lot of mixtures because if I know my man, I I know that he loves everything that mix up. So I'm just gonna give him a great meal when him come home. So I started mashing the potatoes. I'm gonna put mayonnaise. I really love a lot of mayonnaise. Yeah, so I have to put a lot of mayonnaise in there. Not to worry, if this finish we have a next one in the fridge, so open up the fridge if it a finish. The water boiling up to put in the pasta, so I'm just gonna get straight to it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to watch some TV while the pasta cook, and then I'll start making my sauce and everything, and then I'm finish. Come back before I'm done. And what did I say to you? That you love to mix up things, right? He's telling me that I should put this in it because in bite for going it. Tell me no, I have to put it in there because him say he want it in there. That is the reason why sometimes I don't like cooking around the year, because I always want to mix up things. I don't even want to talk down because I'm around here. So him just ever want to mix up things. I don't know why. I know about different mixture there. So my sauce I cook down right now, which I put some of this in the sauce because him say want it in there. So let's hope it tastes good and come out good. Alright. That is my sauce. It's coming up nice and thick. As I said, the little red thing that you're seeing in there is the thing that I put in there that him same want in there. So I just put it in there for just make him come up on my case. But as I can see, it's getting thick. So there's my pasta, and I am going to put my fish in. So I'm through with it. It's like I couldn't get to show you the mixture on the stove because I had to use one hand to hold the camera, and you know it was awkward for me. So this is how it looks. Lighting no good still, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna show up on a different lighting.
Yes. Oxtail pasta this?
Yes, spicy oxtail pasta. Yes, it is.
You make oxtail pasta? How?
Taste something now?
Hold on.
We'll just taste it. The pasta first, more I taste.
The greens taste so good.
Me I thought when more I pasta more I taste. Me know why I taste them there.
Alright. In case anything, then two it tastes good. Oh, you get this recipe here though?
No. Really taste something now?
Recipe here though? Yes or no?
No.
So how you know to make this?
Me no know. Me just try something. Taste it now really?
You try?
Jesus, yes. Really taste something now?
So what may I drink with this?
Really, yeah, my battery are dead, so I catch up on the camera. Oh, it is.
Wow. It's melon. It's soft. Just wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
Put What you tasting there?
Pasta. Carrot.
You see the carrots and I taste it. What else?
Thanks.
What else?
No.
Something else in there. Taste that. And the next something that's the other things that are passing. There's something where you love that. Put in there.
Wow.
Alright, may I go?
Slice fish?
No, the fish fillet something.
Oh,
I love.
shoot.
See, you not even know.
I don't think I'm not even. This one get close, Mr. Slice fish? Wow. I put fish fillet in there.
It's a fish pasta.
Pasta fish. Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes really good.
I put the something where you set in it to the little
Nothing like
the paste. I put it in there.
it red.
But I don't put no feet. I never want to change the color feet. It red.
Put the essence on the taste it. How it tastes.
Ready enough for the right this. Why you love?
But that's why I don't know how it tastes.
You love mixture so. You tell them say you love mixture, you know. You are the mixture boss. You just love mixture. You're not gonna like it.
Why?
See they taste that. You like it, did it? No.
Tastes alright.
Well,
Tastes alright.
it is something where you get on top, boy, and mix up.
But that's why I say it tastes alright. I'm not saying it not tastes good. So, it tastes good. Oh! Whew. He should know how to cook. Spicy for sure. Just really good. Me again. I know.
So guys, it tastes real good. And the sauce nice, though.
Yeah.
Really me have on my plate. So I can smell like chopstick something in there. No, I don't plate.
That's a Chinese something.
But you get your corner eat. A chop is something you stick with use. You know what I mean? And spicy too.
Tastes good for sure.
creamy and nice. More in that pot rolls if you want more you can go in it more.
Does that look bang your hair? I really like it. Huh?
So guys, I am back from last night because my battery died. So I feel like I don't want to wipe off my on the bed. Every time I have to keep wiping you guys off. So my battery died last night. That is the reason why it got cut off from within. And I tell you, say the meal was So under here, just love it. It was awesome, guys. I am not a pasta person. I mean, I tell you, say I want to eat off everything and I don't really no more. Just one.
I never eat what it.
Look back in the pot last night and eat out what it more. Because it was so good. The sauce was A1. It was so good. And I never like pasta no time at all. Which is the reason why when I go out or gonna order pasta, I will never order pasta. Because after I eat, you see, after I eat it a little bit, it's like I can't eat anymore. I mean, I tell you, so for me, if I eat that, you must know, say it really tastes good. If I try it one second time and see if it about cups, because I really love say about cups, you know.
Yeah, I don't know. It tastes good for real, man.
The sauce was creamy and rich. The sauce will go over the pasta.
Oh.
The creaminess there.
What you make?
Nah, I tell you, it's my secret sauce. I make it and then I pour it.
I buy one sauce, you know.
I make it and then I pour it over the
Cheesy.
Oh, because me that's I should have buy cheese put in there, but me I say really don't like cheese. The arm cannot eat, you know? Them something. So
not like cheese, but can't.
Just as I'm rephrase it. So I never use no cheese in it. If I use even cheese, it would have been spectacular. But it was great. I must say I will try it again, just because actually feels like some old man. You know, one time you drink something and you look for the ingredients. That's so we're here now. We just done an interview with a young lady because we're looking somebody to stay in the store. So we finally called and set up the interviews because we were so busy and a lot of things, so we never get the time, and we were working on the location too, so we couldn't
multitask.
No, it's not multitask. We have to make sure that the location are if we bring in somebody. So, it livable.
We wanted to find out, whether for quite some time. One thing about we will always experience it first.
Yeah, we experience the things first before we actually put somebody in there. So, when we put you in there, you can't complain because we know how
the days them feel and everything.
And then
I would know anything, any stress.
We know it.
Yeah.
So we work in it before we actually make somebody. So we know it. Just like if you ever use one taxi, you run the route for a month and see the route.
Enough to run it so long.
When you run it and you see. So when the man comes to you and tells you nothing on that boss said, you know, so I can lie my tail and all these things. So that's what we are doing now. So our next candidate is supposed to come. We're supposed to have about 5 candidates in about out of the 5 we'll pick a 2 we actually get through to. And that's why people put their number on a resume and then when you call them you can't get them. That makes no sense to me. Normally that's a number they find if you call them. Now for them to check. Especially young people nowadays, some of them don't check emails, probably because you only get, if you're not do business, you don't really check emails because you mostly get promotional emails like And you just need email most of the time to sign up things on social media. So most people have email because of that. They don't actually
confirmation.
Yeah, they don't actually use the email. Me, when time me just sign up something and me get the whole of my email person, I say, oh you have so much email. And I say, yeah, I have a lot, but I use all of them. All of my email them. I have about 5 email. All of them me send and things. So it's not like none of them I'm not use it. I use all of them for different reasons. Me have a special email for when me order things, ship things. I just those emails for the store them coming under that email. So I'm just gonna wait because I need the stuff is coming at 11. Yeah. So.
Forever, tell me I'm